Today we're looking at currency conversions from one currency to another currency. In this case, Great British Pounds to New Zealand dollars. So we're going to look at this example over here first. To make it really clear and obvious what I'm going to do, I'm going to put GBP up here and New Zealand dollars up here. And then I'm going to include this exchange rate in down here. So at the moment it is 1 British pound equals $1.93 New Zealand. Now I'm going to include the value that I know, which is 50 Great British Pounds. So I'm going to put that in down here, 50 Great British Pounds. And now I need to figure out, to get from 1 pound to 50 pounds, what do I need to multiply by? So to multiply from 1 to 50, I am going to multiply by 50. So whatever I've done to get from 1 to 50, which is multiply by 50, I need to do to this side of the equation as well. So I'm now going to go 1.93 times 50, and that equals 196.5. So I went $1.93 times 50, and that equaled $96.50. So what I've done to one side of the equation over here, I've done to this side of the equation over here as well. In this case, multiplied by 50. Now let's have a look at a different example. In this case, we're still going to put our heading in up here, make it really clear and obvious, and we're still going to write our exchange rate in under here. This time, however, we know the amount of New Zealand dollars, which is going to go in over here, and we need to find out the equivalent amount of British pounds. So I need to figure out, in order to get from $1.93, what do I have to times by to get $69? Now we're going to use a little bit of division in order to do this. So we're going to use our reverse operation. So I'm trying to figure out 193 times what equals $69. So in order to do this, I'm going to go 69 divided by 193, and 69 divided by 193 tells me that I need to multiply by 35.75. So to get from $1.93, I need to multiply by 35.75 to get 69. So what I've done to this side of the equation, I now need to do to this side of the equation. So I'm going to times 1 by 35.75. So 1 times 35.75 is 35.75, which means the Great British Pounds equivalent to $69 is 35.75 pence. So to recap, what we did here was we knew we were starting at $1.93. We had to figure out what we needed to times that value by to get to 69. I did some division in order to do that, so I reversed the equation, and so I've gone 69 divided by 193. That's told me that I need to multiply by 35.75, and what I've done to this side of the equation, I also did to this side of the equation. So 1 pound times 35.75 was 35.75 pounds. So that is currency conversion. All done.